So when hiking at the Inspiration Point, Lake Alpine down there, it's cold water, but it sure is refreshing. That one, I'm not too sure if that's being used. Maybe, maybe not. You can hike there and swim there. I just don't know how to go there. You can actually camp out here. It's a pretty nice spot. Look at this. And all of those crevices and cracks are probably somewhat created by water, but look at that. It's freaking scary. Look at that. You go down there, you won't live. You get stuck there too. I don't know how they're gonna get you out of there. See, I don't want to really go to the edge because it's so high. I'm so high up that it's giving me the butterfly effect on my stomach. I'll just let you guys see. Cracks right there. So that's created by erosion in time. As water cracked it. That's really dangerous. And there's some more over there. Water actually carved all that from those rocks. And you could hike there too, going all the way there if you'd like, but that's the same stuff. I can hike there, but it's the same spot where I am. I'm just on a different side. That's Sierra Mountains right there, or Stanislaus. They shut this down during winter because this is all mountain pass roads, alternate roads. Take pictures. Nope, it doesn't work. Yeah. It's pretty sharp rock. It's all lava rocks. It's not like concrete, but it does look like concrete. Look at that. Alpine Lake, California. Other end over there, you can see that there's a reservoir. So every bit of lake here is being used for that. All of it.